the latest leather accessories from Bullstrap. Today we're doing an initial review on the Sienna 12 Pro Max leather case, the Terra AirPods case, and Terra Apple Watch leather strap in 40mm. Give this a like if it helps, and subscribe for more. Let's get started. First up is the leather iPhone 12 Pro Max case in Sienna Brown. It's $64.95 and is available at bullstrap.co for iPhone 8 and later. Also available on Amazon for smaller 12 and 12 Pro. Links in description. Bullstrap's natural grains and genuine calfskin leather shows quality. I love the smell of good leather. The color is a bit warmer and slightly thicker than Apple's saddle brown case. Naturally patinas over time as leather should, so it should become a deeper brown. This way your Bullstrap case is custom to your use and will never look like your friend's case, and give it a distressed look that gives it lived-in character. Don't take it into nature unless you don't mind the buildup of scratches from drops on rocks and such. I personally do like that effect on leather. Installing it's pretty easy. Choose one end to insert and the opposite end to push down. Ensure all corners are pushed down all the way. I like how the buttons are black, so it matches the black screen of the iPhone. It feels more like quality traditional leather compared to other leather cases that can feel too treated. You get enough of a lip to protect the screen while setting down on counters or face down falls. It's hard to tell if the raised camera lip is high enough to protect it, so in that case, I'm gonna say it's not. It does keep the phone from wobbling though. The stainless steel is pleasantly exposed in the lower middle end, which leads to protection. It's decent like Apple's cases and feels a bit thicker, which could help. That exposed lower part takes away some protection, but it's worth it if you like the look. Leather isn't really a sporty material. It can easily get scratched when dropped in the outdoors, like rocks and cement. I was unlucky and got it chipped within the first couple weeks. I guess it did its job. To me it's not that bad, but if that bugs you knowing it's there, that's something to consider with leather cases in general. And it's good to know that there's a 1-year, one-time replacement policy, which I could update you on my long-term review, so subscribe. Leather cases are partly for looks. Otherwise go with a more rugged case from brands like OtterBox, Mouse, or Phone Rebel, which are made to be almost indestructible. Check back here later in the year to see the condition of this case. It fits well, only slightly covering the iPhone's stainless steel edges on the sides and top, or aluminum if you're using 12. Here it is a month later with on and off use, turning a little more towards a nice honey color. I predict it'll get into a darker amber than brown over time. Very elegant. Since it's a type of brown, it matches many things and perfect for earth tones and those nature wallpapers. Starting as a mid-tone, both dark and light wallpapers work. Same with interfaces. Since it starts as a lighter brown, light interfaces look great. Blend in more with darker ones as it ages darker itself. Overall, great case for a luxurious look and decent protection. The Terra Leather Strap for Apple Watch. It's $89.95 at bullstrap.co, one of 4 colors, and fits all Apple Watch models and generations. Again, you can immediately smell pure leather as good quality leather should. Bullstrap selects quality resources and suppliers in Italy to craft 100% pure calfskin straps like this, which means every order it's its own similar but unique finish. I chose Terra because it's the darkest brown they offer. With a slight distress, it gives a light leather texture. Like the case, it should age beautifully as it patinas over time. If you want that already aged leather look, choose their vintage option. The back has a deeper textured, yet softer layer than the front. It's a nice change to have a more rugged look than Apple's leather straps, but still classic, while still keeping it modern with the shape of that stainless steel hardware. It slides in just like Apple's watch bands, with a metal nub on the inside of the lug. Then pull the end through the buckle and lock it in like a traditional watch. It's a thicker strap than I'm used to, so it's stiff at first, but once broken in, it should form to your wrist over time. Again, I will follow up on this. To match your watch, you have the two options of silver or black stainless steel hardware. Nicely stitched with durable linen thread. The backing is soft and comfortable. I do wish they had a thinner option with a smaller buckle, more proportionate to the smaller Apple Watch. Let's talk about that price. It's in the right price range of good quality leather straps, which are timeless, so you can keep it all your life. Like you can possibly make it fit other watches in the future by altering the lugs in the end to fit other kinds of watches. With its rugged yet modern details, it effortlessly works with both casual and semi-formal. I wouldn't pair it with athletic wear though. It's brown, so it looks good with a wide range of colors. From earth tones to dark and light colors. When dressing up with this, you can get away with a business suit, but because of its distressed texture and thickness, it works better with something like semi-formal or business casual. A wide variety of watch faces match. Full screen faces look great with this. Even the animated ones. The classics match perfectly. As well as the unconventional. The Terra leather AirPods case. It's $39.95 and is also available in solid black for all AirPod models. The full leather exterior with matching double nylon stitching makes it look placed in style. Natural grains give it texture only real leather could. Microfiber lining protects the AirPod surface, while you get just enough thickness to protect from impact. I can imagine the black part becoming a deep, sleek black and the brown becoming richer as it patinas. The fit is perfect with AirPods. The lid casing is separate but still secure. This actually allows for easy opening and closing. I love the look, but to me, any black case is harder to find in my bag. So I recommend placing it with the brown side up. It's not too thick to allow for wireless charging if you have the second generation AirPods or Pros, which will show the charging light through the hole. And it's pleasantly easy to hold, with a decent grip. Looks and feels luxurious. So let us know what you think of these accessories in the comments below. In conclusion, Bullstrap specializes in premium leather accessories and fits well with your devices. Consider it more fashion than function, as leather accessories naturally are, for those who want to decently protect their devices without sacrificing style. I hope this helped. If so, give it a like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.